AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner nagpahayag na dapat maging handa ang mga sundalong Pilipino anumang oras pag sumiklab ang plano ng China sa persang pagsakop nito sa Taiwan. Ating pakinggan ang pahayag ng Chief of Staff at bago natin simulan kakwento, nais ko sanang hingin sa iyo ang like sa video ito upang madami pang Pilipino ang maabot sa mga napapanahong balita kagaya nito.
Give you this challenge, this further challenge. Do not be content with securing just the northern hemisphere up to Mavulis Island. Start planning for actions in case there is an invasion of Taiwan. Okay? So, extend na natin yung sphere of operations natin. Because if something happens to Taiwan, inevitably, we will be involved. There are 250,000 OFWs working in Taiwan, and we will have to rescue them. And it will be the task of Northern Luzon Command to be at the front line of that operation. The rigorous military exercises and readiness assessments you undertake not only affirm our capabilities but also strengthen our resolve. In a matter of days, we will be starting our Balikatan exercise. Now, this is the 40th iteration of the Balikatan exercise, and most of the exercises will be conducted here in the area, the joint operational area of NOLCOM. Most of the activities of Balikatan will be held here. And then again, our COC will be utilized to ensure that we have a common operational picture while we are conducting our full battle test. So ito pong iteration natin ng Balikatan exercise is now the full battle test. Full battle test. We are now testing all of the plans, all of the doctrines, all of the procedures that we have developed in the past years. And this year, we are going to test them. It's very important that we prepare for any eventuality.